Hi guys, it's been almost a month and I thought, let me give you an update on this garden. It's finally settled, and there were cuttings or anything that got injured in the move. They've all settled in now. They found their feet. I'll show you what changes I've made. Let me get in here. Right. So remember I put this gasteria here and I said I just wanted to survive, but look. Let me get right in there. Look there. There's a, I don't know if you can see it. There's a flower bud. I've never seen a gasteria flower, but look how exciting that little bud. Oh, let me get a recording of this dog's walking. That's also something. They have been using the pot. Good to know. Let me try and get a better recording of them. Right, let me continue with this. Hopefully I can get my little models walking along the path. And look at this purple delight, how purple it is. Sorry about the wind, guys. I think you probably can hear. Look at the babies at the back, how cute they are looking. And there's my Hawathia, which is turning quite green. It's getting nice shade. And that's the aloe and my kalanchoe there. Let's do an angle from this end. There's a path. And this started to droop. This crassula started to droop after a day or so because I did uproot it and then planted it back. But it's doing fine now. It started standing up straighter. It was leaning to the other side, but now it's come back straight. And there's these other purple delight. And my agavoides, I think that's all hail damage. We had hail. It's just scarred the leaves. There's my sunburst, looking good. They might go dormant soon as it gets warmer, but it's not really warm yet. Oh yes, I must tell you what changes I did since I planted. So I added this blue chalk stick here, and I put in these hedgehog, and look how lovely the black looks against this light stone. And I brought this miniature agave from the front and I put it here. But something about this black hedgehog, the senecio, I cut it off from the one in the front as well, and I didn't realize this was crested. I mean, look how cute it is. And I was cutting it and pulling it and breaking it, and I thought, why the heck is it not getting broken? And then I saw it had crested, but too late. I had already cut it up by then. But I planted it here, so hopefully it grows, and then it'll be like tall with this beautiful crest. Look how good that looks. And that looks so cute there against the dark against the light. And look at this weeds rearing their heads here. I'll try and get some footage of my little doggies walking. And look at this rock, how beautiful it is. All those craters in them. I love it. Looks so striking there. And look, this wasn't so red when I planted it, but now as it gets warmer, this crassula, it's getting its deep red color. How gorgeous is that? My frog. That's my cubic frost there. And that's the California sunset. They're also getting some color now. So let's do pan from that in. Oh, that red looks lovely. Okay, so that is it for the update. So you can see everything's growing really nicely. They settled in, finding their space. They're going to get bigger, and as they get bigger, it'll start filling out and looking like a more mature garden. Oh, look, beautiful. There's all the new growth. See the new growth there. And how lovely those edge pink tipped or purple tipped edges. Let me go around here and give you a view of this. Yeah. Oh, so cute. Oh, I don't know where my two doggies. They ran away inside because it's so cold. So I can't get to record them walking along the path. But they've been using it, which is so good and so cute to see. Alright, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this little update. So it's a month later and everything's doing good in this garden. Okay, thanks for watching and have a lovely weekend. Bye.